Stocks 5150. What we got here? We got today is Monday, December 16th, and the market's been open now 8 minutes. So let's take a look. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's popping with the market. On our little investments to watch. Hmm. One thing we got up is the SPLG and SPLG. We got SPY is up 0.19, point 0.2. Russell still being dead weight. Russell's down. VIX is up. VIX is up 14. That's not necessarily good. And my little plays. Santa Claus rally still no good. What else I got going on here? SPX got time on that one. Caterpillar. I don't know about that. That was random anyway when I heard about that. That wasn't necessarily something I did because I had knowledge of it. I mean, Caterpillar, everybody knows about farming and stuff like that. But yeah, I probably should have passed. I could have stayed out of that play, to be honest with you. See where we at, where we at. What else we got over here? We got ETFs to watch. Let's see. Change since the close. Everything's showing green. It's only a few things. XLK is down. That's not necessarily good. Let's see. Only 0.01%. That's not too bad. We can turn that around. Thought I changed this last night. It didn't say. I'm gonna have to update this again. I thought I changed this last night and it didn't change. No problem. I had updated this yesterday, but I see that it didn't change. You know what? I'll just make a new one. How about that? That'll be something I do today. I'm gonna get rid of all of this. See what we're looking like. No orders. It's still early. I'm trade till like 10 o'clock. Let's see what's Tesla doing. Tesla's running up. How high up is it going though? Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a gap up right there. Look at that. That's crazy. Man, I probably should have got a play last week. Let's see, what was that? What is that play that I had last week? Last week I was looking at the 500 December 20th, and it was $300. So let's see, what is that now? Uh, not bad. Not bad. It's still doable. It's still doable. I don't think I'm gonna do it though. I'll wait for a pullback. We're just gonna work with this one right here. Yeah, we're not gonna do anything until J Powell says something. Let's see, there it is, turn around. Probably come back down to the nine. If it bounces off the nine, then maybe I'll make a play. See, get something. Sure, duplicate. Duplicate this chart. This right here too. I duplicated it 2 times just once. And now we need to move it to price action. All right, let's go to price action. All right, there we are. So now link these two, make them all link to this one. I'll monitor the actual position. So let's see. Tesla's pulling back. So we're looking at, we're at 447, 447.50 is the high. So that's the high day right now. That 500 is what we're looking at. That's 175 was the high. So we're going to play that play today. Let's see. Maybe, no, I'm not definitely doing that high. We'll do the 500. Let's see. 0.3 delta, 3, 0.15. I don't know about that 500. Let's see. Let's look at that and see. Let's see. So this 500. All right. So it gapped up from, that's volume. Let's see. What was it? It was 154. We said 154. It went as high as $202. All right. So let's see. We closed at 157. All right. So we'll buy 150. We're going to get two of these at one. Oh, wait a minute. It's already bouncing up. See, be mindful. It might be a gap fill here. Let's see. We hit and now we'll get two for 150, and we'll see how that goes. Up, up. So up, pull back, bounce. See, I stalled out too long, but we could get this at 160. I think 160 probably. Well, there it is, pushing down. Put it in for 150 because it should hit here. We can get two for 150. That'll be what we work with today. We're at 156, 155. Bam. All right, got that too. So that's what we in today. We're gonna play that 500 December 20th call. We got it for 150. I mean, it's still high. It went as low as 40, so we'll see. The data from the PMI was pretty good. So that's where we at. So we got our two plays for Tesla, two calls, 500 call. We got it for 150. We are at a negative right now because truthfully, hindsight is always 2020, of course, with all of this. Like, let's see if we would have. I was basing it off of what it closed at. So it closed around 158. So that's what I was basing it. And I figured going off of this, let's see, it bounced here. That was the high at 178. That was on Friday. It went down. The low was 111. So that's possible too. But we do know that it went up to $2 today. What is that high right there? 215. So now it's going to 130. You know what was the smart? I should have looked at this call. 128. That would have been the smart. So more likely, it'll probably get here at 130 and bounce up. That's at the 200. I could get a double dip if I wanted, but I'm not. I'm gonna stay out. I'm gonna live with what I got. Live with what I got. Now we could get up here close to the money and play some Nancy Pelosi money like that. That's down 440. So let's look at this. That's right here, right in the money, right? Let's see. Do that. Same thing. That play right there. We could go with that. Get us a quick three. Let's look at the chart and see what's going on. Pushing. We're gonna go. This is our YOLO. This is our YOLO, right? We're at 200 right here, and if we stay above the 200, see what the 15 minute looks like. Did it fill the gap? No, not really a big gap right there. Let's see what it says. 13. It's at 1269. Gonna risk a G. That'd be some boss stuff right there. I don't know about that. I don't know if my pocket's strong enough for that. Let's see. That'd be risking a G. I don't think I'll do that yet. Not yet. What we could do, 440, 450. See what 450 is looking like. 450 is at 9, bouncing off of there, off the highs. 899, 875. Let's go for that. Do an 850. What is this low? This was wait for this to hit the bottom. What is that? 693. We're at 845, 800. So we'll do 800. 850. It's got to get past there to get it. But it went as high as 12, 13. So if you do an 850, 850, and then get in, and then get out at 12. Ready? 850, there it is, 845, going down, 840. Let's get that. All right, so Tesla play of the day. Tesla play of the day. We got a 450 call at 840. We're gonna ride that and see what it does. It went as high today as 13. So we can see what happens with that. That's a zero point 0.3 delta, and then we have one that's a way out of the money, a zero point 0.7. I don't know what's going to happen with that. Never know. That right there is going to be what I hold for the week at 500. This right here will play for the day. So our play for the day is this 8, is our 450. We'll see. We stay in it and get 12 again. Still going down, 860, 850. That's what it does. Right. So we're looking for this Tesla to go from 850 to 12, and then we'll hop out. Go out day trade. Look at that. All right. So Tesla bouncing off the trend. That's my stuff right there. That's on the 15-minute. 5 minute. Let's see where we're at. Bouncing off that high. So if we bounce off that high level from previous day high, then we will be good. So this could be the pullback, bounce, come back up, retrace. But what are we looking like on our MACD? MACD is heading down, volume is red. We'll see. So SPY is coming up. Yeah, everything's green now. Russell's green. Russell's showing 0.31. So Russell's green, and let's see what else we got going on here. Now we're just going to sit back. The purpose of doing, not the purpose, but my thesis is I purchased these in the beginning of the week, right? And they expire. I got 4 days until they expire. And basically just sit back and watch and let Elon do his thing, you know? Now, if I get up and I get green, like say, especially on this 500, that right there is a fair play YOLO. And I probably shouldn't have did it, but I did it. So if that goes green and I get a double off of that, get 100%, that'll be nice. This right here, see, I'm already down. Like I don't put stop losses in, but Tesla swings $6 to $10 a day. So if this thing swings six down this way, just pulls back. Let's go to the full chart. Look at this. On the full chart, see, we're bouncing we hit the high day right now. So this is where it was at the previous high. So gapped up, and now it's still the gap. So this is in the post and the after hours. So that's a gap up between where it closed at to here was a gap. And it came down, filled the gap, boom. Now we'll see what happens. So if it either stay here and hold this because it held this all weekend in after hours, then it went up and it ran up a little bit. The first beginning of the market open or whatever. If it stays and hits this and holds support right there, and it holds support at what is this? This is if it holds support at 436, we should be good and pull and bounces. I mean, the volume profile is showing that it has plenty of volume. There is some buyers there. Look at that. So we could get back up to 442. So we're just sitting right here. And right now we're at 436, 436.87. Got a bottom wick on the bottom, so all we need now is another green. So pull back, bounce, boom. We could get as low as this. Here we are right there. Look at that. Let's adjust this. No, we'll keep it right there. Go to the 1 minute and see how much action we got going on. Broke our trend. Tory Trades will be out of this because it broke her trend, so she would sell, but she's rich. But all that is a gap fill. I need to get quick on it and start playing some gap fill plays, making some money on the downside on Tesla. That would be super smart. MACD crossed over. MACD, this is way down at the bottom. This is super red. Not even curling yet. Must be something going on. So right now, it's just gonna hold tight. SPY's green, Russell's green, VIX is green. Don't like VIX being green, but you know, it's a little fear. This could have been a bull trap. Catch everybody up there at the top. Let's see what the SPY looks like. No, wrong ticker. It's PY. So same thing over here with SPY. You can see SPY closed for what is that? 604? No, what is that? Last candle today was 604, 604, and SPY is at 606. So we still got it traded low all weekend, flat for the most part, and it gapped up. So it could fill this gap. If it does, it'll come back down to where would it come down to? It can come down and fill this gap closest right here, which would be 604. But I don't know about that. But maybe we get ready to bounce. If it goes up, we'll be good. I'm not trading spot. The only thing on spot that I'm working with is only thing I'm working with on spot is those Santa Claus rally plays that are like in the dumpster right now. Look at that. That's the high right there. We are pretty far from there. It could happen though before the week's out, but we got a little bit right there. MACD turned up. Let's see what Tesla looking like again. All right, Tesla 15 minute, still flat. Got us a little doji. We back up and get above the trend, at least on the 15 minute. What are we looking like on the 5 minute? 5 minute was still below the trend, but we're still above the high. And that's a doji. Well, not quite a doji. Well, it's kind of like doji. I don't know these cards, but we got some green volume there. It's holding though. It's crazy. It's like it's not even moving. Could be a bear trap. There it is. Retest on the 1 minute. MACD's curling on the 1 minute chart. MACD's curling up, and we could go higher. So you see, break out, pull back, retest. That was the gap fill though. And now that that's done, hopefully that's all we. Hopefully we don't deal with that no more today. We just break up and stay up above, make an all new high. That would be crazy right before the market. So we'll see how that works. We should run into, remember, support turns into resistance. So we got all this right here. So if we can break above that, you see how it wicked out right there? All right, just another green candle. Break above, we break above that wick, we'll be on the way. In the 5 minute, we got a doji showing. They know what it's gonna do. 1 minute will fake you out, but the 5 minute kind of how the market trades. You know what I'm saying? So I think most people trade on 5 minutes. Some people trade on threes and twos. I don't know. Let's go to 3 minutes, see what see get more action. You get more action when you trade in the lower time frames, but you can get faked out also. But at the same time, look at that. See, if you're looking at it on a 3 minute, you'd be like, okay, that's the bottom, and then you could have got that move. On the 5 minute, it depends on what you're doing, like how long you plan on being in the play. Let's see here, this, then we got a doji. So we wait, and you want this one to be another green and be above, the break above, because we're holding right here this 48, which still is good. The most important thing is right here, we held this level. We held this 437, 436. We held that level. So that's period. That's good. And over here on our play, we are looking at 115%, 15% on that play right now. Which one did I say I was going to stay in? I think I said I was going to stay in the 450 call. No, the 450 call is the one for today. The 500 call is the one I'm going to stay in. The out of the money call. I say, we'll see. Let's look at this watch list. Let's see what's happening over here. Oh, stuff starting to turn red. XLE, Amazon, Tesla, 441, still up, but trading down, so it's pulling back. Not the woods yet, but again, these Tesla plays, see, that's still red. This is our 450 for today. And we got in at 841. I think our target is 12. If we can get 12 out of that, we'll slide out of the way. That'll be four for today. All right, still pumping up, showing green, staying above the 48. Need a little bit of resistance right here. Go to the 1 minute. Look how pretty that is. Like a roller coaster, man. It's like the ocean. Could have got in right here. Boom, roll that up. Boom, ride that down. Man, made money both ways. That's what Coach Christine be saying. Make money both ways, both directions. But how much is a Tesla put though? Let's see. If I would have bought a put, go over here on the price action. I don't want to mess up my charts too much. But if I'd have bought a put when it was at, what was the price? Let's see. We are at 445. So if I'd have bought a 447 put, a 440 went as high as 447.50. So you buy 447.50 when it's at the top. So 447.50 put, it's at 16 right now. So for you to purchase that when it was at its peak, would have been, what time was that? That was at 9:42. So at 9:42, 9:42 right here. So if you'd purchased a, put this at, if you'd have purchased this, it would have been at 15. 1580, and right now you're at 16, but it would have went up to, what is that? That's 19. So you made a quick $300 on that move. You can only do that in the stock market. You'd have made 300. So if you'd have got here, got that for 15, and then rolled that down, that would have been a quick $300 in and out, in and out. Can you do it? It can be done. Yes, it can. So what we're waiting for, we're gonna go down and we're gonna come up. And this hopefully is the bottom. Ride that wave up. Who knows? Maybe we'll get a put and we'll ride it back down. Or we'll stay in this because this is early. I mean, that's the beautiful thing. I could do this play again if I have enough capital, that is. That's the thing about options. You can go in and out. It's just like day trading, but you go in and out and the positions you make a little bit, then you get in, then you get out. So you buy a call on the way up, buy a put on the way down. You just gotta watch your levels. But Tesla historically just goes up. See, so it seems like we're gonna meet a little bit of resistance right here. We get a pull back, hit that 9 EMA, get this up, hit the 9, broke above it. Yeah, we break above. We stay above that. Television, see what it's gonna do. Mhm. See what it's gonna do. What's it gonna give us today? Meeting a little resistance. Just sit there, be patient. The trick with all of this is just to be patient. Be patient. Because all it's doing is just making cycles. Up and down, up and down. Let's see what we got, what we got. We're gonna listen to some music, man. Listen to a little music, man. Little tunes.
POV. You followed these 3 simple steps to install Pi, and you haven't seen an ad on Twitch since. This is Pi, the fastest growing, highest rated ad blocker out there. Downloading it is simple. In just 3 steps, you can say goodbye to ads on Twitch forever. Simply search for Pi on the Google Chrome store.
All right, so that was flat right there. We got 1, 2, 3 dojis. Got a green doji. Yeah, still green. We're holding at 9. Let's see what they're going on the full chart. We're holding above the trend. So if we can make this back up here, we'll be good to go. MACD curled up is above, getting some good volume on there. That's what we want. Stock's 5150, man. It's a beautiful day. It's a Monday, overcast day. Quote Prince. Overcast days never turn me on. Yeah, life is good. Life is good. Make a little money. Get a chance to make a little money. Every day you wake up and you're above ground is a good day. Yeah. All right, getting a little push now. Remember, we're trying to wait for it to get up to 447.50. We want to break above that level. If we can break above that level, then we'll definitely be, I don't know if it's, yeah, because we got all week. But I'm going to stay in this play and get out at 12 is what I said. We got it at 8. No. You think I should get out at 12? I'm at 11 now. I think I should stay to 16. Let's see, can it make it? It depends on how strong that position is whenever it does make that move up. If I see that that's pushing, what are we talking about? We're talking about this, we're talking about this 450 call. 500 is at 7%. We're at 32%. Let's go for 100%. 100%? 100%. We'll go for 100%. Let's see what happens with 100%. Yeah. It's 450. Highs it got today. Let's be realistic. It curled out at 13.2. So we can put in an order for. We'll see how strong this momentum is when it gets up here to 13. Has it ever been up above? Let's go back. Let's see how far this is. 1 hour. That was the high. This is the high right here. 13.2. So I'll keep it realistic. I don't want to get too crazy. We'll do 1250. When it hits 1250, we'll look at it again and see where we're going to be at. That it wigged out right there. See, this is where we start wicking at before. So when as high as 13.2. Let's get back down to 1 minute. 5 minutes. So we still got some room to go. Got time. Getting a little doji right there. Filling in at 11. It'll definitely go up to 12. If it hits 12, it pulls up above, like it builds support on 12. I'm not gonna lie, I'll stick around. The time is 10 a.m. gonna be too big. I put my order in right here, 1250. See how much momentum it got. Where did I get it at? I purchased this one for $840. $400 won't be bad, will it? We'll take $400. Our test is waking out right here. And what is this? This is at 444. Volume's looking good. It's pushing, making a move up. Making a move. What was that high? This is 447.41 was high. So it's went 447.41. It's at 445 right now. Give us a nice strong candle up. 447.50 is where to stop. So right here is where we had the doji at 446. We're gonna go for 1200. We'll get out at 1241. Set this order, sell to close. 1240. 12.5. 1250. That'll be an even. That'll be a little bit more than $400. But we'll sell the close at 1250. All right. Nothing to sneeze at. So we got that order in, and then we'll just be working with this out of the money. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. See how that's still a negative pullback. That was a huge pullback right there. Negative instantly. If I didn't look at people's other people's posts, I mean not posts, but when people trade live and stuff, sometimes doing this stuff it makes you feel some kind of way. Like you put your order in and then the market instantly turns. I mean, but when you're looking at other traders on YouTube or whatever and they're live, that that's not really what's happening. Nobody's working against you. Nobody's working against you. Nobody's working for you. You got to work for yourself and figure this stuff out. So we're pulling back, broke down below the 9 EMA. Taking a breather. Flat there, so we'll probably come back here, hit this 48. We hit this 48 and stay above. Even if we hit this, go back down to the 200, and push up. I just thought about something. I just got back from the grocery store. I gotta go put my groceries up. So I'm gonna leave y'all to it, let y'all listen to some music. Stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy. Yay. All right, groceries all put away. Let's see what happened. What happened? What happened? Did we make some money? Did we lose some money? Did it stay the same? Still holding. We're at 11:35 on that play. The bid is 11:25. We got in at 8:41. Looks like we got a little pullback, and we're gonna make that push up. I think we put an order in for, what did we put an order in for? We put an order in for 12.50. We're at 11.50. We got $1 to go. We purchased that at 8.40, and we shall see how it goes. Yeah. So what was I gonna say about this? I need to today. I think I'm gonna, while we wait, redo this watch list. Because I could have sworn I changed all this. I thought I changed all this to show like the spider ETFs. Apparently I didn't. So I'm gonna update that. Let's see. So let's start on that. I'm gonna delete all of these. Arc is making, what is it? ArcX. That didn't do much. Kathy Wood, shout out to Kathy Wood. I should keep that in there. RG. It's up 13%. 13% on the year though. BTI, XLY will keep, SPLG will keep, ARC will keep that too. This is iShares is something over Brazil. So, international, people put money into international plays. You know, they always saying that look at emerging markets is up 16%. But if you just put your money with the S&P 500, you'd be up 30%. Riot's up 113%. Okay, so set up different now. So let's see. So what's gonna see? We got XLY, we'll do XLK, XLP, XLC, we got that XLB. I'm doing them off the top of my head right now. It's 11 sectors. XLY, XLC, XLB, XLK, XLP, XLI, industrial, XLV, healthcare. Shout out to my cousins working in the healthcare industry. What else we got? XLY, XLC, XLB, XLK, XLI, XLE, my favorite, XLE, energy, XLRE, real estate. What else we need in here? I want to say that, is that it? That's not 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 2 more that I'm missing. Let's see, so I got energy, so I got real estate, consumers, communication, materials, technology, industrial, healthcare. Oh, XLF. Damn. Look at that. That boy did it all on top of his head, man. Shoot. I'm in this game, man. I'm telling you. I'm in this game. That's for sure. We had this long term with 450. We had 1225. Oh man, am I gonna change that order? The green is creeping in. Let's see how this chart's looking. Let's see what we're looking like. Look at the full chart. Oh yeah, look, it's like it's running. We hitting this. 1220, 1225. See if we get a little pullback. Got a doji. And a doji right here. This is that level. 447.50. He's trying to make up his mind whether it wants to go more or not. I got a feeling it's going to trade flat like this. What time is it? It's 10:40. Could ride this out. Trade sideways for a while. I can see that. Volume fell off a little bit there on that doji. MACD is flat. That's red on that. Light volume. Came in on that candle. That's a red MACD and light volume. I need a real big push. I'm thinking that it'll probably need to pull back, retrace, then make another play. That's not a bullish enough candle. There it is. 12.50. Yay. Got our play. $400, baby. Let's see. Take a peek. Take a peek. What we get on the day. 408 on that play. Man, where else can you do that? Where else can you do that? 408 on that day, on that play. 1282. It's going. That's cool though. We got it for 840. We got out at 1250. That's $410. $410, man. $410 in how much time? $410. We purchased that at 9:52 to 10:50 to 10:19. That's 8 plus 19 is how much? 27 minutes. 27 minutes. 27 minutes. You make $400. Where can you do that at? Like if you may have a job where you may work and you may make $400 in 20 minutes. That's literally 8 plus 19, 27 minutes. So in 30 minutes, under 30 minutes, what is that? 400 divided by 30. That's $13 a minute. $13 a minute. 13 times 60. That's 700. That'd be $780 an hour. That's surgeon money, man. It can be done. All right, we're still running. So now, where we at? Crazy thing is that gonna hit 16? But we ain't gonna worry about that. Now, are we gonna regroup? So see it's up here and it hit this high? Do we do that put and pull it and ride it back down? Or do we stay out of puts today? Because I think you should stay out of puts. That's why it's hard to play a put against Tesla. I mean, I know the market pulls back in the natural flow and everything, but it's so tricky. But if you did, what would you do? Let's see. You could do a light one. Like, let's see what this play right here is. This is at 5. It was as high as 9. It's at the low of the day right now. Let's do this math on this. This was at 9:59. Really look like 9:59. 10 o'clock. Right here, this was like at the bottom. What were we looking at 10:20 on that position? The 10:20 is here. 6. 10:20 it was at 10:20 went to 6:45. We snatch another 100 right quick off of that, off the retracement. So let's go for it, shall we? A 430 put. Better yet. Volume is heavy. This one has the most volume. Let's see what that one is. So we have 9 right now. 10:20. This was exactly 2. Let's go for that. We'll go to 440 put. Put an order in for a 440 put for 9. Has to go 1 penny below yours. There it is. All right, so we back in. Now we'll see if we can ride it back down. Ride it the other way. This position right here, so we're at a 440 put right now. 440 put. The high of this mark was today was 1490. We're only looking to get it to right here like 1020, I think. Why do I say 1020? Because this is where we pulled up. We built some support right here. So see, this will be our support. This will be our new support right here at 446. So 446, last time it was at 446 was here at 1028. So let's see where we are at 1028. 1028, that candle was 1030. So 1030, so we'll put this order in for 11. We're gonna ride the wave is what we're trying to do. So that's 1050, see we're curling down now. We ride the wave when we hit that trend. If we bounce back down to the to the high of day, the previous high of day, say by 11 o'clock or so, then go back up, close out. So we already established that this is our new high. So now that we established that this is our new high, we shall change this candle to yellow. Red, green, and yellow, remember? Yellow gives me caution. Where does that go here? Rosano. This is what we turned around at right here. This is our support for the day. I'll do it here this way. Go right here at the body of it. That should give me pause right there. So that's what we're looking at if we get there. And our new high. We'll turn this to green. What is it? It was 449.4. Tesla ain't playing. It's going to 450 for sure. It might even hit 450. It might even hit 450 off this little pullback right here. I don't see, because if we hit here, that would be the support. Let's make this a little. Change this to a dotted line. Dotted yellow line. That's a pretty fat yellow line. I don't want to be that fat. Alright, so if it hits there and holds that support level, if it breaks through that, that's even better for me. But I got a feeling it's going to hit there, hang out there for a little while. See how it waked off of there? It could take it on up. 450 is what the target is. So let's see where we're at. I gotta cook me something to eat, some breakfast. I'll go down the hall and make some breakfast. So we hit this level here, bouncing, and if we hold there, green skies. And then let's see my put. What did I say I was going to go on this one? I think I'm going to go to 12 on this. Let's look at this price action again. Kind of for 9. Yeah, that's pushing it. That's to the max will be 14. But we shall do maybe 12, 11. Let's do 2 on that. Unless we break through there. It's crazy how these calls ain't moving. I'm just steadily at an L on that. That's so far out of the money. 625. What is this buy at? I mean, the position is coming up today. It says 40% today on the day. 82, but that's a long way, man. I got a lot of room to go. A lot of room to go. Resistance. So we pull down into this we're at 48. Bounce off the 48, so we broke below the 40, broke below the 9. Right, we stay below that up, it looks like it's curling back. So that's going to turn into resistance now. Up above. This is good for my short term on this put that I purchased. I don't want to snatch a quick $50, $100, whatever. It hits the 48. Got us a green doji. Candle, MACD is below. Volume is super light. 185. Everything's still green though. S&P is let's keep a watch list and see what's happening. That's percent change from the 52-week low. Here. Last trades. Change since the close. Everything is green. XLF is what's gonna pull the market up, I believe. It's light change since the close, percent change since close. That's the dollar change. I don't even need that one. Change that column out. And where the percentage change since the close. Days range, 52-week range. We'll pull this over here. Alright, so the 52-week range is 36 to 51, and we are sitting at, what's the price for the day? Previous close was 49. Last chart was 49. Last trade, everything's starting to show red though. That's important. Keep typoing it, it's holding those typos. SPY. Alright, I went negative, so we're pulling back. Let's look at this. Look at that, pull back, went up. Testing that high again. I ain't mad at Tesla. I ain't mad at it at all. This is why it's tricky. If you play puts against Tesla, you gotta be mindful. Like that playing it up to the down and up to the down. I'm dancing with the devil right now. Cause you see, it looks like it made his mind up and wants to trade right here. It wants this to be his range. See how it's dancing right in that range? You don't want to diddle in the middle. There it is, breaking above. Look at that. Another all-time high. Follow it. Tesla is not playing today. Look at that, that's solid green right there. A strong, going up against 450. Ooh. FOMO is activated. FOMO activated. Look at this order. I would have had 16. Would I be at 16? I'm about to be 15. Man, that's crazy. See, that's that FOMO. That's 6. You're still holding with these though. This is crazy. 450. Tesla has pushed up past 450. What is that? 451? It's still going, still running. I'm just like moving this line. I'm just following the candle up. These highs is making new highs as we speak. This is crazy. When is the last time Tesla did this? I don't think. Oh, look at that. That closed nice. That closed up above. That closed up above. I don't think we've been this high since, let's go back 1 year. We hadn't been up this high since about 5 years. We haven't been this high ever. Look at that. All new highs. Tesla is not playing. Not playing, yo. All I know is the DJT Elon connection. Man, these fools making some money, yo. Fools is making some money. Look at that. I think silently, secretly, we want Elon to be. We want him to have more money because we keep putting it in there. Look at that, 451. Look at that, 450. Touched it. This is crazy. Like literally, that 500 call that I purchased that was out of the money is at it's up 75% and it's still pumping. I'm finna get out of this. Take this. Should I take this off? I think it'll pull back. It's gotta pull back. I'ma hold that put. But I am up 200 on this. Alright, well, turn it around. Let's see what's gonna happen. So we're up 100% on this. We're up 55%, sorry. We're shooting for 100%. 67% now. So here's some option math. I could cut this loss and then take this profit. And I would still be green for the day. Or I could hold that 440 put and hope that it's going to come back down when it does pull back down. And when it pulls down there, stay the course. Let's go. We're going to take this though. What is this one doing? Yeah, we'll take that. Sell the close. There it is, 258. We said we're going to go to 100%, right? We're at 71. What is 100%? Thinking and watching it go back down. There it is. Take a breather. Run up some more. Come back, touch the 9. $251, that's $100. 100. Oh, I got 2 of these. That's why that's showing 200. Alright, so I can close out one of these. And then watch that, be the wash on that. Alright, so that's what we'll do. We'll keep this one, let it run. Nah, bro. We're going to keep that put because it's going to pull back. But we will take this to 260. 2.6. 206. We'll sell the close. We'll take that. If it breaks above that, I don't know. I have to sit tight. 267, 270. Oh man, it's running again. It's running again with that volume. That volume is weak. Oh boy. This is crazy what Tesla's doing right now. 280. Oh, bro. Yeah, I can't get out of that one. So we're gonna do 283, $3. We'll do $3 and then we'll get out. $284, $280, $35. Here's $290. It'll definitely go. We're already up, man. We're gonna get out. That's 262 on the day. 285. Oh, there it is. It's going to 290. Alright, so we're gonna get out and sell the close 282. Wait, pull back. 282. Put an order in for 282. That hits, and we're out. We'll wait for the pullback on this put. 278, 280, 278, 280, 280. We need two more. We need 3 more cents. 281, 282. Action. Bam. We're out. Green again. Green again. So we got that Tesla. Let's look at this order list. Purchased that at 150, and we got out at 282. I don't know what my math is on that, but I had 2 of them. So 1.5. What do we get this at? 282, 2.82 minus 1.5. That's a 132. $264. $264. So that we're up. That's it for the day. We had, what is that? Total for the day is 670. All right, 670. So we're at 670 for the day, and we are sitting though. But see, this is the wild card. We're sitting in this put, and this put is down $200 down, 100 and something, 130. I couldn't get out of that and call it a day, walk away, but let's adjust this up. We're gonna wait. We're gonna ride that foot back down though. 770. It could get to 10. So we'll leave that in there and we'll put an order in for what is that? We'll put an order in for 10.56. We'll put an order in for 10. Let's say I got it at 9. We'll put an order in for 10. We're green though, super green. Look at this FOMO right here. This is 16. It is 16. See, I could have got 16. Doubled up. I gotta start trusting myself, man. I gotta start trusting myself. I'm selling myself short on some things. See this, I'm holding on. We'll see how it goes. Stock's 5150. Stocks are crazy. That 840 did hit 16. That was a double up. Look at that. Bam. Oh well, that's over. Moving on. So now we're at 9, sitting at 7. So we're working with this one right here now. this will be it for the day. 3 trades, 2 green. I could cut this loss though. Look at this chart. Will we pull back down here? Now that's so far away, it looks like. Now that's, what is that, 453 down to 446. And that's almost $10. I don't know if it even pull back down that far no more. Running so strong. What the volume looking like on Tesla? Watch this. Yeah, everything is green now. Wow. Tesla is at 46. Oh yeah, no. It's going green. It's gonna stay up. It's running up. Out of this. Well, tomorrow I won't be trading because tomorrow I go back to my JOB. So when I trade, well, when I'm working, I try not to trade because I want to stay focused. I tend to give away money, give money back to the market when I trade, when I'm working, you know. So I'm pretty sure I'll just stay out of it, stay out of the way. Yeah. I might put in one position. You know what? I might. I don't know. I'm trying to think about what anything that Jerome Powell's going to say is going to affect Tesla or not. So this has some more FOMO. Look at that. 16, 17. That's crazy. That first play is 800 right there, 900. It's running. The second play, it doubled. There it is. We're good to go. Pulling back. What do we do? Let's see here. All-time high. Tesla hit 455. 455.37. It touched it. Pushing. Look at that. 455.50. Dude, is Tesla gonna try to hit 460 today? Is Tesla gonna hit 460? I'm gonna put this up here at 460. Something tells me Tesla wants to hit 460. Because I think Tesla wants to hit 460. Maybe I do. Well, let's see what money looking like. Wait, I got a G left. I got 2. I got enough for some more plays. I could do a play for the rest of the week. I'm gonna wait for it to pull back. At the end of the day, so this is what I'll do, is at the end of the day, I'll put in a position and I'll see whether it's going to be an up or down. I don't see it. I don't see this put working out. Looks like it's running out of gas right here. What's that volume? Oh, that volume is strong. Okay, MACD curling. That's good. Yeah, we need to take a breather, bro. Slow back down. Let me break even on this at least. So, okay, so it pulled and turned right there. Slide this back down. Tesla hit 455, 456 it hit today. 456. Today's range, 436 to 456. That's $20. Wow. Man. He stayed that call. Even if it goes back down to the mid range and goes to 440. Previous close was 436.15. All-time high, 456.23. 52-week range. Not an all-time high. You see, it's 52-week high. It was 138. Look at that. That's 138. Imagine if you had bought Tesla early in the year, you would be winning right now. And I had Tesla. I did. And then I sold it all because I said, you know what, 2025, I'm just going to put all my stock, I chose to put my eggs in a different basket. I'm going to show you whose basket I put my eggs in. I went with Jeff Bezos. I rolled with Jeff Bezos. Let's look and see what Amazon is doing. I chose to ride with Amazon this year. I mean, I didn't know that Donald Trump was going to go, and you definitely didn't know that Elon Musk and Donald Trump was going to be friends. And yeah, so I'm sitting at a plus 59% versus 200. You only know what you know. You operate with what you got. Operate with what you got. NEO is still sitting in the mid-range. Tesla ain't showing no weakness. It's insane. Pulling back a little bit. But I would not doubt it. It went 456.23. I would not doubt it hits 460 today. It's definitely not playing. It's playing by its own rules. Playing by its own rules. This is our Tesla January 17, 2025. Purchase this play after Donald Trump won office. And I was like, well, that's going to be my inauguration play. Yeah, and it's up. It's up 60% today. It's up a G total. Can't knock Elon, man. I ain't playing. These dudes ain't playing. We're at 742. Holding that level right there on that play. Look at that slight pullback, and then it ran up again, a new high. Damn. Yeah, Tesla is not playing around. Running again. It's gonna make me regret not getting out of this clip. I can see that already. At least today it will. Look at that. Down 16% on that. really literally, I think, gonna go to 460, which is insane. This is a Monday. The market's showing off on a Monday like that. It was very interesting. Tell you what I'm gonna do. 'Cause I got stuff to do. I'm gonna pause out for a while, go cut some. Well, I got things to do. Let's see if it hits off and bounces off this 9. I don't know. Look at it, it's holding that 9 EMA really strong. This is insane. Down 20% on this put. 19. Oh, look, there it is. Oh, no. MACD, look how high up above that acceleration. All right, chart, bro. Can you see everything? So we started here, and we have went up parabolic. It's setting up for like a bull flag. It could trade sideways and then take off. Tesla's crazy. Look at that, another new man. I moved this green level 3 times. I moved this up 3 times already. Wow. Doji. But it's a green doji. Going for another push. It's gotta take a breather, but earlier, I thought I was gonna take a breather here. I took a slight pause. Bam. Went up again. What is that? That's 455. It went from here to the pause. Went down $1 and ran up 3. Our MACD's turning. It's 11:30, 11:23. Price action. We got it for 9, and we said we were gonna stay until 10, right? We're gonna put an order in and get out of this one at 10. 12. Be greedy and take 12? Nah, cause I ain't gonna play with that. What did I purchase this one at? 901. We'll put an order in. Sell to close at 11. We'll do that for good to close. Sell to close. Alright, we'll see if that happens. Stocks are crazy. Stocks 5150. Going to do some manual labor. Plus, I need to cook. I ain't ate breakfast yet. It's lunchtime. But it's time to eat. Alright, man. I'm out. Let y'all ride. Listen to some music. Peace. Donald Trump's talking. Got a speech going on right now. Sound like he's gonna say no wars, no problems.
Your future is at your fingertips. Take advantage of the flexibility and diversity of futures trading with NinjaTrader, the #1 rated futures broker. Start trading futures today.
Watch the market moves. Follow other traders. Trade on eToro. Download now.
We feel that we're absolutely on the right track. So thank you, Tomasa, and we'll take a couple of questions. Yeah.
Questions! You guys aren't used to this. Look at that. Tells you a plan and says you got any questions?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I'm not going to comment on the Putin question, but I will comment on Bibi. We had a very good talk. We discussed what is going to happen, and I'll be
Check this out. Donald Trump's talking in the
very
background.
available
Play this.
on January 20th.
Mic this up.
As you know, I gave warning that if these hostages aren't back home by that day, all hell's going to break out, and very strong. But we generally just discussed. I asked him, where are things? Mike Waltz's. They're doing a great job, by the way.
Look, Trump will promise to ban his storage, pass his tax cuts, by 34 points. And then Ray-Ban glasses with Meta have live AI translation and Shazam.
Joe Rogan did, and some of the other people that were
Didn't react.
by
Trump.
my son Barron, he knew names. I said, "Who is that? Tell me, who's that?" "Dad, you got to be kidding! I can't believe you don't know."
So
And
Aaron is the reason why Tech that
it was actually sort of cute.
Barron is the reason why
And that had an impact, but TikTok had an impact. And so we're taking a look at it. But, we won youth. Republicans are always 30 points down in youth. I don't know why, but we ended up finishing. There was one poll that showed us down about 30. We were 35 or 36 points up with young people. So I have a little bit of a warm spot in my heart, I'll be honest. Yes,
Hate the idea of preemptive strikes against your roster player. So Meta's dropping off that.
It's a wonderful question, but am I going to do preemptive strikes? Why would I say that? Would I say yes or no? It's strange that he answered that way. Am I going to do preemptive strikes?
Very good response to that question.
Is that a serious question? How can I answer a question like that?
So I got Jim this time. He might be feel like he's making sense.
How can I tell you a thing like that? It's just you don't talk about that before something may or may not happen. I don't want to insult you. I just think it's just not something that I would ever answer having to do with there or any other place.
Why would we tell people we'll preemptively strike up?
Vaccines and autism.
Jesus.
Well, I don't look. Right.
Damn, they said welcome back too, where they just ask him ridiculous
I had
questions.
dinner the other night with
Question 2: how do you feel about vaccines and autism? Literally, question 2 after: are you going to preemptively strike Iran?
And other people within the administration.
These are great.
Medical. And we're looking to find out. You look at autism.
I just want to piggyback off of
30 years ago, I've heard numbers of like 1 in 200,000, 1 in 100,000. And now I'm hearing numbers of 1 in 100. So something's wrong. There's something wrong. And we're going to find out.
I'm not going to say this. Something's wrong.
Can I follow up on Robert Kennedy? He's on the Hill today. He's meeting with senators. What do you say to people who are worried that his views on vaccines will translate into policies that will make their kids less safe?
No, I think he's going to be much less radical than you would think. I think he's got a very open mind.
Yeah, that's what they were saying this morning. They're trying to
radical.
Pretty much they're trying to remove RFK from anti-vax so that it's easier to get him confirmed. That's why they did the dinner with Pfizer and all of that.
Problems are, and another thing that came up. The dinner was fascinating because they had Bobby and I had again the head of Pfizer. He's a highly respected man who's run an incredible company. Likewise with Lilly, the top 2 people, and we had the head of the industry also. So all companies were represented, and I said, let's have it out now a little bit. And you know what came out of that meeting is that we're paying far too much because we're paying much more than other countries. And we have laws that make it impossible to reduce. And we have a thing called the middleman. You know the middleman, right? The horrible middleman that makes more money, frankly, than the drug companies, and they don't do anything except they're a middleman. We're going to knock out the middleman.
Yeah, Pfizer's
I'm going
running
to
on
be very
that.
unpopular after that statement.
I
don't know who
He's got 10 cents.
men are, but they are rich as hell.
So that has moved up Pfizer more than technically it's up on the day.
And we're going to get drug costs down to levels that nobody has ever seen before. And that really, I tell you, we spent more time talking about that with Bobby and with the executives and Oz, all of them. We spent more time talking about that than anything else.
Can we talk more about prices and vaccines?
Well, I'm a big believer in it, and I think everything should be looked at, but I'm a big believer in the polio vaccine, the Salk vaccine.
Do you think schools should mandate vaccines? Do you think schools should mandate vaccines?
I don't like mandates. I'm not a big mandate person, so I was against mandates. Mostly Democrat governors did the mandates, and they did a very poor thing. Retrospect.
Healthcare is down.
Having to do with the education of children. They lost like a year or 2 years of their lives. The mandate was a bad thing. I was against the mandate.
So is that something you want to?
Yes, please.
To appoint Laura Trump to Senator Marco Rubio's?
No, I don't. I probably don't, but I don't know. Ron's doing a good job. That's his choice. Nothing to do with me. Laura's unbelievable. She was incredible. The job she did at the RNC as chairman, along with Michael Watley,
what is it doing?
the combination.
Golden
But
State
if I
is
could just speak for Laura,
0.35%.
she is so highly
Really green
respected
on the day.
by women.
We're up so high though.
Even her workout routines are through the roof. She lifts 150. I don't know how the hell she does it. She's a bad example for men and women sports. Because I wouldn't be able to leave, try like hell. But
See that?
woman.
He said, yo, she bet you like 150. She a bad example of women in men's sports.
Never had. When I put her there, people say,
yo!
She could have run
This
for
is
the
a
Senate.
wild ass interview.
Bud would be the first.
Oh, I missed this. We haven't had this in a while where the media, they just be asking out of pocket questions. He's like, that's a stupid question. I tell you, she's buff as hell. It doesn't support the whole man women thing, but my goodness, is she fucking swole.
Closer, I asked her.
I know. She kicks ass.
Work on the,
I bet you she could probably beat LeBron. I won't lie. I won't lie. She's really well respected.
Unbelievable job, especially on cheating. They stopped it, or at least they stymied it. Too big to rig, and we won in a landslide. We won tremendously. She did an amazing job. Now Ron is going to have to make, because Marco has been really a star already, and we haven't started, but.
Yeah, Pfizer's still going up from those comments.
From
Again, it seems like
very early we see
everyone's scared of the RFK vaccine thing, but they're trying to pivot to prices.
Right, we made a lower
He's
high.
born for it. It was such an easy decision. The Marco decision was such an easy, but he leaves a vacancy in Florida.
It's not taking the elevator down for sure.
He'll make the right decision. I also know that Laura's got so many other things. I mean, she's got so many other things. People want her to be on television. They want to give her contracts. Her predominant thought is our country and her family. Those are her thoughts. But she's got so many other things that she's talking about. He'll make the right decision.
President, senators from closure nominees or cabinet nominees, do they need primary?
If they are unreasonable, I'll give you a different answer, an answer that you'll be shocked to hear. If they're unreasonable, if they're opposing somebody for political reasons or stupid reasons, I would say has nothing to do with me. I would say they probably would be primary. But if they're reasonable, fair, and really disagree with something or somebody, I could see that happening. But I do believe that if they're I think we have great people. I think we have a great group of people. Pam has been unbelievably received. Take a look, Pam Bondi. So many have been just unbelievably received.
Holden.
Big Pete Hegseth has taken tremendous strides over the last week. He's going to be great. Look, he went to Princeton. He went to Harvard. He was a great student there, but he really was. The first day I met him, all he wanted to talk about was military. He's just a military guy. I think it's a natural. This was my idea. And Pete Hegseth gave up a lot because he was going big places, big places, a lot of money. And he didn't even hesitate. When I said, do you want to do this? He said, absolutely. I said, if it doesn't work out.
For me and my selfish reason,
right now, in terms of the world of entertainment, business, whatever you want to call it, you'll never have that opportunity again. In fact, it could be just the opposite because it's nasty out there. He said, I don't care. I have to do it for my country. He gave up a tremendous amount.
It's like a mic pop.
It would be a tragedy. Because, but that's what he loves. He loves the military. I never talked to him about anything else. He'd talk about the military. He'd come to see me about a soldier that was unfairly treated, and could I help? That's the only thing I virtually ever talked to him about. And I always remembered it. I've seen him many times. I don't think I've ever had a subject on anything other than military with him. That's where his love is. And he didn't say, well, I'd like to think about it. I'd like to talk to my family. He said, not even a contest. And, he was going through the roof over there. He was doing great. They have the number one show that Saturday and Sunday with Will and Rachel.
17.
That was great chemistry.
Real. I should have stayed in that way.
It didn't work out for him. It would be actually sort of tragic.
You only know what you know. We were happy with what we got, right? Yes.
Yeah. I think that he was treated pretty unfairly. Now, I haven't seen the gravity of it all, but it seems, like being upgraded in an airplane many years ago. I know probably everybody here has been upgraded. They see you're all stars.
I got upgraded once.
I want to upgrade that
I got
person from
moved
BBC.
up the
I'm going to
business
upgrade
card.
him. And that would mean you'll
Business.
spend the rest of your life in prison. I don't know. Somehow, I'd have to see it because I don't know the facts. I think he was treated, it's very interesting.
All right, that's enough of that. Let's get back to our regular scheduled programming.
You'll spend the rest of your life in prison.
Music is good for your soul.
I'd have to see it because I don't know the facts. I think he was treated, it's very interesting. When he essentially went against what was happening with the migrants coming in, he made some pretty strong
XLE is taking a dive.
This is not sustainable. I said, you know what, he'll be indicted.
Sigma's 52-week low?
And I said it.
Damn.
Not as a prediction.
Bro, Sigma is dying.
But I said it. I said, he's gonna
Check
be
news
indicted.
on that. I don't know if that's related to anything he said, but that's actually
I
surprising.
would certainly look at it.
Remember, Signa, when we bought,
Can I ask you a question about the drones?
it was up a lot more. Oh, wow, drones. Yeah, Signa's dumping right now.
Well, we had
It could be the
5,000
middleman
troops
comment. I don't
along
know.
the border.
That's odd, though.
I asked
Add that to
for
the
generals,
UNH drama. Again,
they have an
Signa
army
was
of
doing way better than
250,000,
Humana.
so
Now
they
it's
have
looking
an
ugly.
army of 400,000. They have many more people than that.
I'm checking if there's anything else.
Erdogan is somebody I got along with great, but he has a major military force, and his has not been worn out with war.
Pull back and bouncing. We'll have me taking the spitters back down. Alright, yo, that's it for the day. I'm gonna log off. And but we are green for the day. I could take this play right here. I'm gonna sit in this one for a week because something tells me that J Powell's gonna come out and we're gonna retrace all of that. That's what I'm thinking. Saying I have this order in at 11. That'll give me 2 on that. We'll see how it goes. Alright, stocks 5150. We are out. Streaming complete.